All right, let's get right into it because what we're talking about today isn't just another update to Drupal. No, this is a massive, fundamental shift in how we're all going to be building digital experiences. We're moving from just laying out pages to, well, to orchestrating entire experiences.
And that really brings us to the central question, doesn't it? The tools we use, the philosophy behind them, even what we think of as a web page, it's all about to change in a big way. So the real question is, are you ready for what's coming next? So let's paint a picture. Just fast forward with me for a second to the year 2026. The way people find information online has been completely turned on its head. And if search itself has changed that radically, you better believe the tools you use to create content have to change right along with it.
So, what is this new digital world? Well, it's all about the rise of something we're calling the answer engine. And understanding this is the why behind literally everything else we're going to cover.
That's right. The classic Google results page, the 10 blue links, that's basically a relic of the past. We are now living in an age where your main audience might not even be a person, but an AI assistant. And your goal isn't just to rank, it's to be the answer. Welcome to Answer Engine Optimization. And if you're thinking you have plenty of time to adapt, well, here's the deadline that really lights a fire under all of this. In December 2026, Drupal 10 officially reaches its end of life. This isn't just some minor technical update, it's a strategic deadline. You have to adapt before that clock runs out.
Which brings us to the core of the change inside Drupal itself. This is way more than just swapping out one tool for another. We're talking about a complete shift in philosophy, moving from the old layout builder to the brand new experience builder.
And this slide really nails the difference. On one hand, you had Layout Builder. Think of it as an architect's tool. It was technical, back-end focused, and really built for developers to structure content. But Experience Builder, that's a designer's workspace. It's visual first, it's made for editors, and its goal isn't just to structure content, it's to build entire experiences.
So the big question is, how does Experience Builder actually solve the challenges of this new AI-powered world? Well, it really all comes down to building with intelligence, and it does that with three main pillars: components, AI, and context.
So the whole foundation is component-based design. And honestly, the Lego brick analogy is perfect. Stop thinking of your website as rigid, static pages. Instead, picture it as a giant library of reusable Legos. You design a button once, a hero banner once, a card once, and then you can reuse them absolutely anywhere, which means everything stays perfectly consistent.
Now, this approach directly attacks a huge problem we've all faced, called design drift. You know, when things slowly start to look inconsistent over time? Well, Experience Builder uses pattern libraries to keep everything looking sharp, global components so you can update an element everywhere with a single click, and visual controls that give editors freedom, but within the safe guardrails of your brand's design system.
Okay, so that's the component foundation. Now let's see how AI builds on top of it, because this is where things get really cool. Creating a new page layout is now as simple as just talking to it. You give it a prompt in plain English, like, hey, create a section highlighting our top 3 products. The AI then grabs the right components from your library, fills them in with content, and serves it up to you for a final review. It's that simple.
Now, this is maybe the most important takeaway about the AI. It's not some generic chatbot just making things up. The AI is completely locked down by your components, your brand guidelines, your design system. It can't go rogue. This ensures every single thing it creates is 100% on brand and production ready from the get-go.
And how does the AI know all this stuff about your brand? That's where the Context Control Center comes in. Think of it like a central rulebook for the AI. It's where you feed it all of your core brand truths, your tone of voice, who your audience is, even legal or regulatory stuff. That context then guides every single word the AI generates. Okay, so we've got this incredibly smart, component-based system. That's great, but how do we actually use it to win in this new AI era? Well, it all comes back to designing our content specifically for those answer engines we talked about earlier. The new key piece of content you need to know about is the answer target. It's a brand new best practice, but it's super simple. You create a heading that asks a question, and then you immediately follow it with a short, direct answer that is literally designed for an AI agent to find and quote. And when I say concise, I mean really concise. The sweet spot, as you can see, is just 40 to 60 words. That's it. This brevity is absolutely key to getting picked up and cited by AI search tools. It's a short, powerful, and incredibly effective little nugget of information. And of course, Experience Builder gives you the exact tools you need to nail this. It has special answer-first content blocks to help you structure things perfectly, an AI-powered SEO analyzer that gives you feedback in real time, and it even handles all the complicated techie stuff in the background, like semantic HTML and schema, automatically. So we've seen the future, and it's a pretty big change. The next logical question is, okay, how do I get there from here? Let's talk about the practical path forward, what the upgrade looks like, and the toolkit you're going to need. First up, the technical stuff. Moving to Drupal 11 means you've got to modernize your whole tech stack. You'll need to be on PHP 8.3 or higher, upgrade your database, and really embrace modern JavaScript. And this isn't just about getting new features. It's about the security and performance that these powerful new visual tools absolutely depend on. But what if you just want to kick the tires and see what this is all about without a huge project? That's exactly where a tool like DrupalForge comes in. You can literally launch a fully configured Drupal 11 site with Experience Builder and the AI all ready to go in about 5 seconds. It's perfect for quickly building prototypes or showing clients what's coming. And then, as you start scaling up these rich experiences, infrastructure costs can really become a factor. A solution like DevPanel is designed to tackle that head-on. It helps you run Drupal on your own infrastructure, which gives you total control and can slash hosting costs by as much as 80% just by automating all the DevOps work. So when you put all of this together, what are we really talking about here? I think this quote just sums it up perfectly. The future isn't about building pages anymore. It's about creating a secure, governed, and intelligent orchestration layer that serves up amazing experiences to both humans and AI. So that's where we're all heading. The new tools are on the way, and the new philosophy is crystal clear. The only question left is the one you see right here. Are you going to keep just building pages? Or are you ready to step up and start orchestrating true digital experiences?